What's up, YouTube? Today we're replacing the cup holders on the e90, e92, the ones that never work. I bought some new ones. I know there's a fix to it, but I just bought some new ones today. We're gonna be installing them. I'll show how to install them and explain the process. It's on. It works. It's been about a couple weeks already. I've been using them, put cups in there, and they still work. For the price, it's perfect. There is a little bit of like as you can see here, it like sticks out just a little bit. But see, I'd rather the cup holders actually work than worry about the fitment. But you can't really tell. It's just if you're looking really close. I don't even think you can see it on camera really. But you can see a little bit in person. There is a little damage. That might have been us. But yeah, cup holders for the e90. I'm gonna leave the link to this product in the description. If you buy with the link in the bio, it helps the channel, so that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to follow our TikTok and our Instagram. I'll put them right here somewhere. Make sure to subscribe for more e90 content. I got the 328. I also got an E46 wagon and an E30. We'll be doing videos on those soon. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Peace.